You can put it on your phone.
Yeah. Let's put it in the pop can bottle thing.
Yeah. No, probably not.
Why don't you put it in?
You gotta put it in something else, like,
Put it in here.
is there pizza in there? No. Yeah, pizza in there.
What about the chip? Put it in the box.
Put it in the box. Yeah, that box.
Put it in that box. Where's that in the garbage?
Oh, me, I'm okay.
I don't want to know.
Put it in this one. It's got chips in it. That'll be
Well,
fun.
you put it upside down, see what it does.
Okay.
With chips in it?
Yeah. Okay.
Wait,
who's
who's
cleaning up this? What is that, Mentos?
No.
Oh, yeah. We gotta try that sometime for sure. Go, go,
You know
go.
what we should do? We should go to a convenience store right now and get some Diet Coke and Mentos.
Oh no, but you don't know. What does that do?
What's gonna happen? Oh, we have to go
Frig.
It's crazy.
Frig.
I mean, like it's gonna blow up?
Yeah. Oh, they're pointing this way.
No, it's sticking on me.
I know, that's gonna suck.
Why is it inside?
What's it gonna do?
What's your shot?
Yeah, try it, Doug.
Frig. Come on.
What's it gonna do?
What's it gonna do?
Let's see if it even works. The bottle might not have been strong enough.
What?
That was exciting.
You're what did you put in it?
Steve.
Kick it over, Steve.
Steve, come on.
Kick it over.
Oh, I bet you it leaked.
Was that it?
Throw Barney on it.
Oh, I hope it didn't leak.
No way! Oh man, I got it all. I got it. Yeah. No stinking way. Oh no. James.
You got it on video?
Oh yeah, we all got it on video.
Can you imagine you do that in like a harder container?
Would you put it
Oh man.
Here we go.
Use the ration.
How long does it take?
Well,
It's like, I don't know. Because I just like talking.
Yeah, but you break them down so it's just the powder.
it wasn't
And
on.
you put it in a strong container.
There we go.